When your Milwaukee M12 Impact Wrench starts losing power, there are several key areas to diagnose. We'll walk through the most common causes and solutions. First, check your battery. Ensure it's fully charged and in good condition. A faulty battery cell can cause sudden shutdowns during operation. High output batteries may be necessary for optimal performance, especially under heavy load conditions. Next, inspect the trigger switch. A sticky or dirty switch can lead to intermittent operation or power loss. Clean the switch with electrical contact cleaner only. Never use water or oil-based cleaners on electrical components. If you notice burning smells or unusual noises, it could indicate motor problems requiring professional repair. Motor problems typically require professional diagnosis and repair. Do not attempt to disassemble the motor yourself. Be aware of potential internal damage, such as melted plastic pieces, which can halt operation completely. Remember that opening the tool may void your warranty. For internal damage, consult Milwaukee's authorized service centers. Socket fit problems are among the most common issues with Milwaukee M12 impact wrenches. Understanding the root causes can save you time and frustration. The most common cause is the friction ring on the anvil. This ring can become too tight or worn over time, making it difficult to attach or remove sockets properly. Anvil compatibility is crucial. Milwaukee M12 impact wrenches come in two sizes, 1/2 inch and 3/8 inch drive. Using the wrong socket size will cause fitment problems. Socket quality also matters significantly. Low quality or worn sockets may not fit properly on the anvil, leading to slipping or poor engagement during use. Beyond socket problems, there are several other common issues that can affect your impact wrench performance. Trigger problems are frequently reported. The trigger switch may stick in the on position after release or become unresponsive due to dirt and debris buildup. Gear case failures are serious mechanical issues. Missing or broken gear teeth will cause the tool to stop working entirely. You may hear grinding noises before complete failure. Chuck and adapter problems have also been reported. Some users experience adapters pulling out of the tool during use. Milwaukee has released updated anvils to address this specific issue. For battery-related issues, jump starting can often revive a seemingly dead battery. This process involves connecting a good battery to help charge the problematic one. Regular cleaning is essential for preventing many issues. Use electrical contact cleaner on switches and moving parts. Remove dirt and debris that can cause mechanical problems. For more complex repairs, numerous DIY repair videos are available online. However, if your tool is still under warranty, contact Milwaukee directly for professional service and parts replacement.